Hello there, this is Rahul from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Envato. So let me take you to the website, which is elements.envato.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Envato is a company from Australia that runs several websites where you can buy and sell digital items like website designs, graphics, music, videos, and code. They also have a subscription service, Envato Elements, that you're currently looking at, which basically allows you to download as many creative assets as you want for a monthly fee. Essentially, Envato helps creative professionals like you to get the tools and resources they need to create and sell their work. So if you like any of the services, you can come to the website, explore all about them. And if it interests you, you can maybe give it a try. Click on pricing, which will take you to the pricing option. You can go with the individual subscription, the team subscription, or the enterprise subscription. And these are all the things you'll get, but totally up to you. If you want to go with their services, if you want to have stock videos, template videos, music, sound effects, graphics, and all that, you can buy the subscription. You'll find the link in the video description. But in any case, here we're going to talk about earning money from Envato. Can you earn that? Of course you can. You simply have to join the affiliate program of Envato, start promoting them to your traffic, to your audience, and when you bring subscribers to them, you'll end up buying the subscriptions for them, then you could end up getting commissions out of that. Wouldn't that be amazing? So who can join the affiliate program of Envato? Anyone from anywhere. So long as you have access to Envato, you can become part of their affiliate program. Where can you promote them? To the audience or the traffic of which country can you promote them? You can promote them wherever Envato is available. And since they are a software, so the exposures is huge out there. So now let's talk about the affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the home page again, and you can scroll down till the very bottom of the page, which will take you to the footer section. Click on the affiliate side here, which is become an affiliate. When you do that, it will take you to the affiliate program page of Envato. Now over here, if you have any question which won't get covered in this video, you can click on FAQs, and here you will see the frequently asked questions. You can click on these questions and get the answer of it, but I'll try to cover as much as I can in this video. For that, you can click on programs, and over here you can see become an Envato affiliate. So join the affiliate community and earn money to referring individual digital assets, their unlimited creative subscriptions, and their DIY design tool. So if you scroll down, you'll see what kind of affiliates they're looking for. They're looking for a blogger or maybe a website owner that basically talks to their customers, and then influencers as well. Maybe you have a YouTube account, Pinterest, TikTok, and more. Basically, that kinds of interested consumers, you could be an affiliate for them too. You might be someone who is having their own products and want to earn more their own products on Envato, of course. So you can also join the affiliate program of Envato, and you can promote your own product. This way you could earn money from both sides. Then you got an audience, but not referring. That means newbies are also welcome too. So if you're interested, you can simply just try to join the affiliate program, get the approval, and start promoting them. Now, if we scroll down, we can see here different products of Envato. So we got Envato Elements, which is the unlimited creative subscriptions, millions of creative assets, unlimited downloads, one low cost. So you could promote that. And if you do that, you could earn up to $120 for eligible annual subscribers and up to $60 for eligible monthly subscribers. And this is an example. So if you refer one annual subscription per day, you could earn $3,600 per month. That's amazing. Now, if you scroll down, you can see here the Place It by Envato, which is an easy to use DIY design tool that enables people of all skill levels to create beautiful design, logos, mockup, and videos straight from the browser in seconds. So you could promote that as well. And if you do that, you could earn commission of $50 on new subscriptions and 50% on one-time transaction. That's good as well. Then we got Envato Market. So what is Envato Market? Through this, you can buy individual items for any budget or project. Envato Market offers a range of items from WordPress themes, plugins to Photoshop actions and video templates. So you could promote the product from Envato Market as well, and can earn 30% commission on any first purchase you refer. So this is amazing. Now, whatever you decide, if you want to go with this product, this product, or Envato Market, just click on Join Program, which will basically take you to a form. So this is what it would look like. For example, I clicked on Envato Elements, and it took me to this page. Over here, I can see submit an application to join the affiliate program. We have partnered with Impact to provide you with market leading affiliate tools. So this is a form you got. Doesn't matter if you click here for elements, for Placid, or for market, you will be taken to a similar form where they will expect you to fill this form. But read this, that they say that they're part of Impact. Now, what is Impact? So before you even get interested in filling this form, I want to tell you that we will take this video in a structured format. So for that, let me take you to the website impact.com. Now, what is Impact and why we are talking about them? In fact, Envato is talking about them. So Impact is one of the top affiliate marketing network. What is an affiliate marketing network? Affiliate marketing network provide a platform to affiliates and brands to connect with each other. That means if you want to be part of Envato affiliate program, then you must join Impact as an affiliate. There's a way you could maybe fill up this form and then wait for the approval, get yourself an account. So to keep it more structured, you can come to impact.com. If you already have an account with them, click on sign in, log in. But if you don't have an account, it's okay. Click on request a demo, which will take you to this page. Over here, you can go to for creators, influencers, and publishers section. Why is that? Because Impact call affiliates as publishers. So you can come here, you can click on sign up as a partner, go through with the registration process, and get yourself an affiliate account. Now, I understand that the many nuances involved when creating an affiliate account with any network out there. So don't you worry, I got yourself covered. There's a video I created on how to create an affiliate account with impact.com. You'll find the link in the video description. Follow the instruction from the video, get yourself an affiliate account, and once you got it, come to their website once again, impact.com, click on sign in, which will take you to the sign in page, enter the username and password, which will take you to something called affiliate dashboard or the publisher dashboard. Now, this is the place where you would be you would be able to interact with different brands out there, including Envato. And since the focus of the video is just Envato affiliate program, so we will talk about that. For that, you can click on brands and you can click on find brands, which will take you to the section. Here you can explore different brands out there, but you can search for Envato using the search bar on the right side. So if I type Envato, if I click on enter, I could see 3 programs. You see, this is what I was talking about: Envato Elements, Envato Market, and Envato Placid. So for example, if let's say if you want to apply to Envato Elements, you can click on their name, the logo basically, which will open the details for you. You can see what you can promote and how much you can get. So on between $20 to 120. If you click on view terms, and you should be able to see view terms. But if you click on details, you can see where they provide service. So again, the question that I addressed at the starting of the video, you can promote Envato to the audience of which country. So you can see all the countries in here. Then if you scroll down, you can see all different things that they are providing. Then they got more program details here as well here. So you can see they're open to influencers and the other details that you might be interested to look at. Now you have read enough and you want to apply to them. How do you do that? Simply click on apply here or directly from here. Maybe you want to apply to all the affiliate program of Envato. Click on apply one by one and apply. So for the video, I'm just going to click on apply for Envato Elements. It will open this option for you, which you can read, and you can tell Envato Elements or Envato Market or the other program accordingly. So here you have to say that why you want to work on this campaign. And this is super important because once you write about that, you're planning that why you're interested in promoting that specific Envato affiliate program, they will see whether you're a good fit for them or not. So it's better the more descriptive you are and the more convincing you are, you could get the approval accordingly. So for me, I have already returned. I'm just going to paste it in here. And of course, you can click on the contract terms, read it, and then click on apply. When you do that, 3 things could happen. One is you could get auto rejection right away. The way I got the auto rejection, and this could be because Envato might have thought that I might not be a good fit for them. But don't you worry, if that happened, I'll tell you how to bypass that. The second thing is your application would go to them, and they basically would take up to a couple of weeks time to see whether you could fit for them or not and give you the approval accordingly. Third thing is they may deny your application. In any case, if you get the denial or if you get the auto rejection like me, I would highly recommend that you go to their homepage over here. If you hover over ask away anything, so if I hover over here, I can see the email address, which is affiliates@envato.com. So if the same thing happened to you, like how it happened to me, whether you get the auto rejection or whether you get the denial, you can write an email to this email address, affiliates@envato.com. Tell them that why you're interested to join the affiliate program and how you plan to promote them, and they will have an option to give you the approval based on that what you write. So this is what I would highly recommend. Now, assuming you get the approval, then what? Then you will be notified by email, of course. But once that happens, you can log into your Impact account. You can come to brand section again. This time, go to My Brands. Over here, you get to see all the approved brands that you currently have. So, assuming you got the approval for Envato affiliate program, so you will see them in here. Now what? Now you can start promoting them. To start promoting them, you can't just take any link from their website. You have to use tracking link. So how do you create tracking link? For that, you can come to the home page, and over here you will see your approved program name. So you can click here and you will find Envato affiliate program name in here as well. Just select Envato. For example, I'm selecting AppSumo here, but let's assume that this is Envato I have selected. Now, if I want to promote their homepage, I can copy this. I can come to here again and I can paste this link and I can click on create. So when I do that, it will create a tracking link for me. So this way you can create a tracking link. Another way is you go to content and you can explore all these sections to find the tracking link. For example, you can go to assets, which will take you to the section. Over here, you can use filters to see the tracking links accordingly. You can see different kind of links. For example, if you click on images, you'll see images. Let's say if you want to promote this link, this is just an example. You can click here and you can get tracking code. And if you click on add code, you will see the add code here as well. But this is an HTML link. And if you click here, you will see your tracking link as well. So this is just a demo of how you can get your tracking link. Now, let's say you got the approval and you got a tracking link. Where can you promote them, or how exactly can you promote them? There are many ways you could promote them. The first one is the website and blogs. Let's talk about the website. So just put an advertisement somewhere on your website and you can start promoting them this way. So the interested audience would definitely click on the link and makes the purchase. Blog, I think, would be better because basically on blog you can write different blog posts about different things of Envato. Let's take Envato elements for example here. So for that, maybe you could write blog post about stock video, and then along with that you put like some tracking link between the content of your blog post, or at the end of the blog post maybe you write blog posts of different things about different things that Envato elements provide, and share the tracking link. So this way, interested party would click on the link and could become subscribers, and you could earn commission. The second way is social media. So long as you got the approval, you can promote them on that respective social media. Maybe you got a Facebook account, so Facebook page. You could post different things about Envato. You could also create different reels, and you could basically talk about Envato's product in there. In the description, you can share your tracking link. Then the third option is a SaaS website, which is software as a service website. Let's say if you got this kind of website, then I think it would be amazing because people come to these kind of websites to find amazing softwares, and Envato definitely looks like a good one to me. So maybe you could have a SaaS website and have a standalone section for Envato and start promoting them there as well. But totally up to you. This is just to give you the basic ideas. Where can you promote them? Now, let's say you started promoting them, you started bringing subscribers to them. Where would you see your commission, your so far progress? So for that, you can come to the Impact account once again. You can click on reports and run any of these reports to see your progress so far. Then what about the commission? So all the commission that will be getting accumulated, Impact will get it from Envato and will issue that commission to you on their behalf. So you have to ensure you update your banking details. And how do you do that? For that, you can click on these three dots on the left hand side. And when you do that, click on settings, which will take you to this place. Over here, you can scroll down and you can go to finance. You can click on bank account and update your banking details. So this way, the commission that's being earned, you can expect to receive it via Impact again coming from Envato. So this is how you find the affiliate program of Envato. You apply to them, you get the approval, you start promoting them. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you learning more about the affiliate program of Envato. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on it. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.